In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency on Big Cartel. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so your store shows prices in the currency that makes the most sense for your customers and your business. First, open your web browser and head over to bigcartel.com. This is the official site, and it's where everything starts. Once the page loads, look for the login option at the top of the site and click it. If you're already signed in, you'll land in your dashboard. If not, just continue into your account as you normally do. From your dashboard, navigate to Shop Settings. Depending on your layout, this might appear in a sidebar or under a gear icon, but it's clearly labeled. Shop Settings is where Big Cartel keeps important store-level preferences, including the controls for how your prices are displayed. Inside Shop Settings, scroll until you see the section labeled Time Zone and Currency. This section groups two related preferences together so your store's timestamps and money formatting stay consistent. Time zone ensures your orders and promotions align with your local time, and currency determines how prices appear to shoppers. Focus on the currency option. You'll see a field with your current selection and a small drop-down control. Click the drop-down button to reveal the full list of supported currencies. Big Cartel supports a range of major currencies, each with its proper symbol and formatting. Now select your preferred currency. Choose the one you actually charge in, typically the currency where your business operates or where most of your customers are. This setting affects how prices are displayed across your storefront and checkout. A quick tip: make sure the currency you pick is supported by your payment provider so customers can complete purchases smoothly. Also keep in mind that switching currencies changes the symbol and formatting, not the numeric values you've entered, so it's wise to review pricing for clean, rounded amounts after the change. Once you've made your selection, click Save. Give the page a moment to update. You should see a confirmation or a brief visual indicator that your settings were saved successfully. From here, your storefront will reflect the new currency wherever prices are shown, including product pages and the cart. If you have your store open in another tab, refresh it to see the updated currency in action. That's all it takes. You've gone to Big Cartel, logged in, opened Shop Settings, found the Time Zone and Currency section, opened the Currency dropdown, chose your preferred option, and saved your changes. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.